We're gonna, well, you'll have something, you'll have to remember that this is, you got one of your Christmas presents today, okay? This is an early Christmas
Is
present.
that gonna be your early Christmas present, Eli?
Yes, ma'am. So let me see.
Okay, you gonna give me a hug?
Oh, say love you.
You better come get me one.
Love y'all. Your hair's wet, isn't it?
It says it's raining, Nanny.
Come here, Eli.
Give
me
Papa a hug.
Now, turn around.
Eli,
Good. I'm taking a video.
It's 7 bucks.
guess what? What is it?
Mom? We should have brought, we got those pictures of Aunt Bill too, we should have
Oh,
brought.
you got them in picture?
We did.
Awesome.
Who are they playing? Who's that say?
You don't let understand what that is. Oh, Daddy should see his face.
Who does that say it is?
Yeah, what is
South
that?
Carolina LSU.
That's where we're going tomorrow night.
We're going to see LSU play South Carolina tomorrow night.
Yes, sir. Where are we going?
We're going to Columbia.
What is that? Come
LSU's coming.
Thanks us.
Is that Gamecock?
Here, Eli, let me see you.
You get to see LSU's players, and you get to see, hopefully the Gamecocks beat them.
Ooh.
Let me see the ticket. Let me see the ticket. Let me see the ticket in a
Is
minute.
that what you want to do?
I'm gonna lose the game.
Eli, come here. Let me see the ticket.
Watch out, be careful with
Go
him.
up there and stand inside of Eli. Or Eli, you come stand inside of Eli.
Y'all go stand with Danny and Papa. And let me get y'all's picture of Danny and Papa. I know, you're going to see LSU. You're going to see Cocky tomorrow night.
Let me see what it says.
Cocky's going to be there.
Come here. Come here. Daddy's gonna take a picture. Come here. Who's got a bobby pin? Who had a bobby
I
pin?
know you can read.
Guess how they got those tickets?
Come here.
Guess where those tickets came from?
Where?
Spanky and his family have tickets there, and they're not going. And they asked us if we wanted to go, and they said that we could buy the tickets. And Nanny and Papa bought y'all the tickets so you could
Who
go.
had the bobby pin?
So hey, y'all need to say thank you to Nanny and Papa.
Come here, Eli.
Eli,